Welcome, here I've got WIKO View Go and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera shooter sound at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it. And for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let me take a picture. As you can hear, the sound is turned on. To turn it off, let's move to the right corner. When we pick this button, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now we are in modes, so let's move to settings to the right. And here we can see the shooter sound option, so by just one tap we can turn it off, another tap to turn it on as we need. And for now let me keep it turned off. Let's move back to the camera. When I take another picture, we can't hear anything. Of course, we can turn it on again by going to the right corner. We are automatically now in settings and tapping to this button. So for now, we can hear the sound again. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.